Aiden, what are you doing?
We're moving.
What are you
What
doing?
we're gonna do? And then up.
Whoa. Hey, buddy. Did you just get a ride on the horsey?
And then back down. Hopefully he doesn't fall.
He looks pretty stable.
Child services will come pretty quick.
Aiden, where are you going? Aiden. Where are you going? Whoa. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
This is where we part.
Uh-oh, it's finished. It's like, go. It's not done yet.
Dance, clown.
All right. Your hair's flapping. Not yours.
Okay, enough pulling on my
Is that fun?